Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating custom analyses in Ceph Assistant. Begin by selecting Custom Analyses on the menu. You can customize up to 3 analyses. Click on the Create Custom Analysis button to get started. The first step is the parameter collection. Explore various standard analysis types within the software, each offering a broad range of parameters. If you select a parameter, it will be visualized on the template image and listed in your custom analysis parameters. You can choose all the parameters from one analysis, or just add a few parameters from a different one. Click on the parameter again if you would like to remove it. In the second step, you can set the parameter properties and specify their order. You can also give a custom name and reference value to align with your preferences. Arrange the chosen parameters in the desired order either by dragging and dropping or using the up and down arrows. The final step is saving your custom analysis. Once you have defined and organized your custom analysis with the chosen parameters and their properties, you can give a name to the analysis and click on the Save button. And there you have it. You can edit this analysis at any time. And from now on it is also available if you are executing new analysis.